Yeah, what's your name?
What's up guys, it's Yappy. So today we're back on the boat with deer meat for dinner. We're going spearfishing again. You guys loved it so much, so we're back out here with the old deer meat hunter man himself right here. So we're trying to get some bait fish to chum up the water. We're getting in the water in a few seconds. Let's get it. Deer meat man,
What's up?
what are we going after today?
Man, we're gonna run down the beach and just have a good time. Lobster season, the mini season starts Wednesday and Thursday. So we're gonna go out and do a little scouting mission, try to find some big spider crabs, some lobster. Then we'll pull out on some rock piles, use our chum baits, chum up some mackerel, bonitas, who knows, whatever else. Snapper, grouper, you never know what you're gonna see. Maybe even a cobia.
Oh yeah, let's get it.
Yeah.
Hands up, boys. Woo. Yeah. Woo. All right, boys and girls. I'm out here scouting for deer meat. Looking for the bait. It's up there, deer meat. Literally hanging off the boat right now. Deer meat, that one.
Dude, every time you guys do that, I think you're gonna drop the camera in the water.
This is like my favorite thing.
You're not allowed to do that.
Just hanging from the boat. Out here on the water. This is awesome.
Oh my God. Back up. I just got the best bait money could ever buy. Oh my God. Woohoo! Me and Johnny might go snapper fishing after we drop y'all off.
We got bait.
That's called a thread fin herring. You can see on the back, on his back, he's got a little thread. Some people call them white bait, but in the ocean, everything called them food.
Look at all that bait. All right, deer meat's jumping in the water right now. We are scouting for lobster season. I've never seen a lobster in the water, so let's get in the water.
What do you mean? We went to Red Lobsters the other day. Later, sat in the open.
Totally different.
Nah.
Okay. Alright, see you later, guys.
What's this? Somebody's spear? Oh, that's cool.
Oh, God, you scared me. What is that? Tentacle?
That's the antenna one. You found one?
The other one didn't have
See him? I was expecting there to be like 200 in this rock.
grab him from the other side?
I'll grab him from the other side.
Okay. We're grabbing a shark! We're grabbing a shark!
There's a whole bunch of them in there.
Rob! Hey, are there any dangerous jellyfish here? Rob! Are there any dangerous jellyfish here?
Right here to our left, at 10 o'clock.
Off to here.
Oh, there they go. Come on, dolphins. Put on a show. Oh, there they are.
Look at a ball. That's crazy. One's letting us get really close. Oh, wow. That was cool.
Alright, got to the first spot.
All right, you guys, this is a little offshore artificial wreck. We could find cobia, snapper, grouper, who knows? But I think we're gonna get something here.
Let's do it. Let's get in the water.
This is great.
B, get in the water, bro. Not a cam. Bunch of bait, stingrays, stuff like that. Where?
Get on my leg.
So there's an actual storm coming. Just got back to the dock. We're gonna grab some lunch. So there's some really bad weather coming our way. We just made a run in. We're gonna grab some lunch, take a little break, wait out the storm, and then we're gonna get back out in the water. Alright, so the boys just got here. We're looking at the radar right now, and deer meat?
Not good.
So it's official, today is over.
Yeah, when you have these big storms, man, you can't take a chance.
Ooh, Jake got some mahi-mahi. Keno got a pizza that I got the same pizza, and deer meat got the same pizza, and oh wait, so did he. What did you get, B?
I went with a traditional cheeseburger.
Well, that's what we ate today. So Jake has an extra large shirt on right now, and he kind of looks like a little kid.
What's up?
All right, guys, we just finished up an amazing day. We had to get off the water due to weather. It seems like every day in Florida we have to get off the water early because it's gonna rain, or freaking have a crazy thunderstorm. But deer meat hunter man, deer meat. Freaking another great day out on the water. We're gonna do
tram, I love it, man.
So after some crazy adventures and awesome times out on the water, deer meat is officially locked into a lifetime contract as our friends, and he'll never be able to get out of it. Sorry, bud. But we gotta thank deer meat. If you haven't checked out his channel, guys, he actually knows how to do catch and cooks. I do not.
Yeah, you do.
Kinda.
Catch and cooks are all about learning, man. You got to get in there. And I tell you what, because you are a fellow catch and cook, that's one of my knives. That's a Deer Meat for Dinner Silver Stag knife.
link description
below.
below.
What I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do, you guys, if I can get 1,000 likes on his video, I'm gonna have one of these laser engraved, real nice with Yappy Twan Twan. Something real good. I'll laser engrave it and I'll send it to you.
Wow. That sounds nice, guys. So if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll be doing another catch and cook on the channel with my very own Deer Meat for Dinner knife, and it's gonna be engraved Yappy. So we had a blast today. I threw up. We got to dive. I didn't spear anything. Jake speared something. I'm sorry the video wasn't what I expected due to weather, but that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and as always, here's the magic marker that everybody I film with signs the bag. Let's do it.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Nice. Now it's official. What does that say?
That is TGBTG Robert Arrington. Ever since I was a little kid living out in the outer islands of Fiji, I would sign things TGBTG Robert Arrington. It started when I was signing my journal, and it means to God be the glory, because this is a huge gift that I'm very thankful for.
That's awesome, man.
If you want to subscribe, click over in this area right here. If you want to watch some more videos of Yappy, click over here. And if you want to buy your very own Baby Gap shirt, check it out in the link description below. Oh, you can barely get that off.
That's what a 41-year-old body looks like right there, y'all.